I think I could finish this year. What do you guys think? That's pretty. Change my mind all the time. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders, and this is my channel. We talk about skincare, makeup, sometimes I unbox things, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, make sure you stick around. Today we are doing an eyeshadow palette review. We're going to use the Voss Olive You Forever palette. This is a BoxyCharm palette. This came to me in a BoxyCharm. The packaging is nice. It comes with a mirror. That makes me happy. If you have been here before, you know that. That's almost a complete game changer for me when it comes to an eyeshadow palette. And this is it right here. It is very pretty. I am really excited to film my first look with this palette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some swatches right here, and then we will get right into the look. Alright, so that is the swatches right there, and I have to say these swatched really easily. I'm super happy about that, and we are going to dive right in and start today's look. I have an idea of what we're doing, but it could change, so I'm not going to say it first because I change my mind all the time. I am going to use a Moda Pro brush. This is the Precision Angle brush, one of my favorites. And I'm going to go in with that first shade. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Wishful. This is the second palette from Voss that I have in my collection. The first one is the Essentials palette, and I do believe that I have the Essentials 2 palette coming to me because I redeemed some Ipsy points. I like the formula of their shadows. Their matte shadows tend to perform fairly well for me, and their glitter shadows also. Okay, so first thoughts, that is applying very easily. It's a nice soft color. It has a decent amount of pigment. Overall, that's really pretty. Initially, that applied so well. There isn't any patchiness. It's going on well. That's one layer, and this one I put two, so I built it up. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. My initial thoughts on this are that that was a dream to blend this eyeshadow, so we're going to go in with the second color now. The next color I'm going to go in with is Charmed right here. That's a really nice dark brown. And I'm taking that on a Morphe brush. Love how these two shadows applied together. That blended out so easily and so quickly. I have absolutely no complaints about this so far. This is turning out quite nice, actually. So I am going to go in with the shade Olive You. So I'm just going to pop that on my lid now and see how that looks. Ooh. That's pretty. It's darker than I thought it would be, but that's okay. So I'm applying it to the center of my lid, not all the way over, but almost. That shadow applied really easily with a brush. It is giving a really nice effect. What I'm going to do now is I am going to go in with the shade Major Spotlight, and I'm going to focus that on the inner corner. I'm just going to top that all off using my Essence Barely There lipstick. I think I could finish this year. What do you guys think? My favorite shade of lipstick, just very neutral. It's very easy to wear. And last but not least, I am going to use a setting spray today. I'm determined to start going through my setting sprays and finishing them up. This is the Catrice Prime and Fine. This was their original setting spray, I believe. I haven't tried anything from this brand besides their sprays and a few highlights. Let me know if you'd like to see a dedicated video, because I do have an Essence dedicated video coming soon, and I'm hoping to maybe do some more drugstore type videos. Let me know in the comments below what you think. All right, and that is my final look. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this palette. Honestly, I'm very happy with how this eye look turned out. It didn't take very long. It wasn't a lot of work, and I really do think that this palette could be a win for my collection. Let me know if you want to see multiple looks with this palette. I will absolutely film that for you guys if you're interested, and I hope that you are all staying safe, doing well wherever you live, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Bye for now. And I'm going to, this is the E17 brush, and I'm going to focus that on the lower portion of the lower and outer portion of my eyelid. I'll show you what I mean.